Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make blueberry mousse. First, gather your ingredients: fresh blueberries, sugar, lemon juice, gelatin, heavy cream, and vanilla extract. Having everything ready before you start makes the process much smoother. This recipe creates a light, airy dessert perfect for any occasion. Ensure your cream is very cold for optimal whipping results. Let's get started on this delightful treat. Next, we'll prepare the blueberry puree. Combine your blueberries, sugar, and lemon juice in a saucepan over medium heat. Cook until the berries are soft and juicy, then mash them slightly. Strain the mixture to remove any skins, creating a smooth puree. While that cools, bloom your gelatin in cold water, then gently heat it until fully dissolved. This ensures a smooth, lump-free mousse. Now for the creamy base. In a separate bowl, whip your very cold heavy cream until it forms soft, airy peaks. Be careful not to overwhip it. Once your blueberry mixture is cool, gently fold it into the whipped cream. Be careful not to deflate the air you've incorporated into the cream. This step is crucial for achieving that light, airy mousse texture. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for extra flavor. Ensure everything is well combined but still fluffy. Finally, it's time to chill and enjoy your creation. Carefully spoon the mousse into your chosen serving dishes. You can use individual glasses for an elegant presentation or a larger bowl for family style. Refrigerate the mousse for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight, to allow it to set perfectly. Garnish with fresh blueberries before serving for a beautiful finish. Remember to check the description below for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other fantastic deals. Enjoy your homemade blueberry mousse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.